As President Trump's tariffs impact the economy, it may have investors wondering if they should make changes to their 401k plans. The financial advisor I talked with today says to be patient. The NASDAQ and S&P 500 saw their biggest drop since September 2022, causing growing economic concerns. Financial experts say it's important not to panic.
Market corrections are normal. Just hang in there, just be in it for the long term.
Mark Kenyatta of Ameriprise Financial says backing out of the stock market now isn't the answer if you're worried about your retirement, especially since it's so hard to predict the right time to jump back in. It's best to just leave your 401k as is, since you're not a short-term investor in this case.
If you go back a couple years, it was easy to get quote-unquote carried away because your returns were great and you could throw the dice a little bit. But now I think having a more diversified portfolio, being well balanced, would be a good thing to have.
As tariffs bring uncertainty for some, the White House says they'll pay off in the long run, with President Donald Trump saying they'll make the U.S. rich again. In a press briefing Tuesday afternoon, the White House putting blame on the Biden administration for the current economic challenges.
We are in a period of economic transition. We are in a period of transition from the mess that was created under Joe Biden in the previous administration. Joe Biden left this country in an economic disaster.
An economic recession is also being discussed. When President Trump was asked if he's expecting a recession this year, he had this to say.
I hate to predict things like that. There is a period of transition because what we're doing is very big. We're bringing wealth back to America.
Kenyatta doesn't believe a recession will happen soon, but says things could always change. He advises if you are concerned about the market's impact on your 401k, to invest more in bonds rather than stocks.
Overall, bonds are more of your safety net, and every person should have bonds in their portfolio.
In Green Bay, Tony Langfellow, Fox 11 News.